Hi ladies, welcome to my channel. My name is Yasser if you're new here. If you're not new, you already know that I love avocado for my hair, and my hair, it really just loves avocado when I put it in my hair. So as you can see, today we are doing an avocado deep conditioner. It's a homemade avocado moisturizer, so we are having fun. So the benefits of avocado are that they prevent hair loss, they moisturize your hair, it helps to treat dandruff, it strengthens the hair root, it adds shine to your hair, and it's great for heat damaged hair. Y'all know that I like to use a blow dryer on my hair, so I like to take all the precautions that I can to make sure that I'm preventing any type of heat damage. So I'm using a whole avocado, and then the next ingredient is an egg. So eggs are great because they heal damaged hair, they promote hair growth, and they also reduce hair loss. They improve hair elasticity. So if you want your curls to be popping, girl, add some egg to your recipe, and they also add shine to your hair. And the next one is almond oil. If you're not new again, you know that I love me some almond oil in everything. So almond oil is great for your hair because it makes hair long, strong, and thick. It nourishes your hair and also smooths down your cuticles. It controls hair falls, and it also prevents split ends. And the next one, y'all know that I love grapeseed oil, mostly because I blow dry my hair, so it's a great heat protectant. Grapeseed oil helps protect your hair from heat damage for up to like 420 degrees Fahrenheit. So I love using olive oil. And the next one is honey. You all know that honey is great for like your skin, your hair, everything. But let me tell you the benefits of honey for your hair. So honey softens and moisturizes your hair. It also helps to prevent hair fall. It promotes hair growth. It fights off infection on your scalp and I guess on your hair as well. It also cleanses your scalp. So girl, if you're having some trouble with your scalp, dandruff, honey is the bomb for you. And it's also great for your skin. Like I love using honey when I'm doing masks for my face. So I would definitely always keep honey in the house just because it has so many uses. So as you can see, I'm using a blender to blend the whole mixture. You don't need to use a blender. You can just, mash them together if you want to, but I'm lazy. And the blender just does it so much faster, and I love the consistency when I use the blender. So what I've done before I apply the avocado deep conditioner, I have washed my hair using this OC shampoo. You can use any shampoo that you have, any shampoo that you like using. I just happen to have the OC shampoo right now, and I'm trying not to buy new products until I finish the ones that I have in the house. So as you can see, my hair is nice and clean, and then now I'm going to start applying the avocado deep conditioner in my hair. So I am applying it in, just all over the place. You can do it in smaller section, but even though I have not sectioned my hair, I'm still making sure that the deep conditioner is basically going on every strand of my hair. Girls, like, you should try an avocado in your hair. Like, let me know what you think after you try it, because the way it makes my hair feel, oh my God. Avocado is seriously, I love eating avocado, and sometimes I actually feel like I'm wasting it when I'm putting it in my hair. But the things it does for my hair, I have to use it for my hair. So I left it in my hair for about 35 minutes. You can leave it in for longer. I wouldn't suggest that you go to bed with it. I don't know why people go to sleep with conditioner in their hair. But if that's what you do, girl, then do you. I would leave it in for about 30 minutes to about an hour and then wash it out. But that's it for the video, girls. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and I will see you next week on Saturday. Thank you. Bye.